Excuse me? Who are you?
Ade, I'm Swadeshnath, your cousin brother.
That's impossible.
Ade yaar, it's true. I'm your papa's cousin, sister's, uncle's brother's son.
That's impossible too.
Are, it's true. I swear on my grandmother's cousin sister.
Nonsense. You can't be my cousin and my brother at the same time.
Really, yaar, I'm your cousin brother. My good name is Swadeshnath.
Oh, so do you have a bad name?
अरे no यार, मेरा बदनाम मत करो.
Then why are you saying my good name is Swadeshnath?
Because it's my शुभ नाम, my good name भैया.
Don't call me that. I'm not your sibling.
Don't hurt my heart. I prayed so much to Shivling to reunite with you.
Sibling, not shivling.
You are Englishnath, I am Swadeshnath. We were lost at Kumbh Mela. Look.
No, sorry, it's not the same.
Someone can be a cousin or a brother, but not both. Your parents, brothers or sisters' children are your cousins. To make the gender clear, add the name. For example, your cousin Tina or my cousin Swadesh. This is the English nut and not the English nath, saying bye for now.